think of the biggest number that can divide both 8 and 10. If the variable is common to both terms, choose the one with the least exponent. In this case, x has lower exponent than x squared. Therefore, our common monomial factor here is 2x. Now let's divide both terms by 2x to find the next factor. X divided by x is just 1. When dividing powers with the same base, we just subtract the exponents. In this case, 2 minus 1 is 1. So you still have an x. That's it. These are the factors that we are looking for.